Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. Unfortunately, I don't really do unboxings. I've went through a couple real quick, but never did like a full one. But I thought today would be kind of cool to do this one. The Stranger Things GMC van. Got this at Dan's Crafts and Things today. So we're going to open this up and take a look at it. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we got the instructions, which are actually pretty nice. I just kind of skimmed through them a little bit. I'm not going to go through every page, but pretty detailed. Got some color in them and stuff. It's pretty cool. So that's the instructions. And we got, oh, I forgot to cut this out of the bag. Dang it. Hold on. I gotta save the bag, put the glass back in it. We got all our glass here. Really cool, nice shape. Even little side window round ones. They're pretty cool. Okay, so at the tires, no name on them. White walls. This comes with the steely wheels, so that's pretty cool. There's the wheels, wheel backs, steering wheel, steering column. That looks like the antenna goes on the top. So pretty cool. And let's get into the interior. One big flat pan for the interior, which is awesome. This has quite a bit of, well, kind of a bunch of stuff in it, but here's your interior panels. Door panels. That looks like one of the side where the door is. A dash. Not too bad a dash. We'll have to see if it has decals for the gauges. I think it does. Then we got the control unit there that goes in there inside the van. This is probably the seat that goes in the back. Then your seats for the driver and passenger. Pretty cool. And what's kind of cool too is that this has opening side door and rear doors. So that's pretty awesome. You can do some awesome detailing in them. So if you guys are going to get this kit and you're going to build it, you're building it as the Stranger Things van, or you're going to do like a 70s, 80s custom, or maybe a modern updated custom, you know, something like that. What are you guys going to do with it? Kind of curious. Well, pretty cool. There is a radiator. Unfortunately, there is no engine or a separate front and rear suspension. It's all molded in there, which, you know, we're modelers. We can, you know, work with that or cut everything out or get a new chassis and do whatever. So it would be cool if there was a 3D printed chassis for this van, like a slam one or something for doing a lowrider van. That'd be kind of cool. But there's a chassis anyway. I'll take a quick break. We'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. I had a coughing attack, so I knew it was coming. Here's the roof. Roof comes off. That's kind of cool. These look like the front and rear, maybe for the van there. Roll pan maybe or something, or whatever. Chrome tree is actually pretty nice. Got your rear bumper and your front grille, which is actually see-through. That's awesome. Some pretty cool side pipes. There's your mirrors. Very cool. And the body. So there's your side door that opens. Your rear. And then it's nice they did this here where you can keep this on here. Just cut those out. Put your roof on. You can take the roof off and on and see down in there. You don't have to worry about this flapping around. Because I remember another van had just the top, and these were just flapping all around, but that's nice they did this. So the van looks pretty good. The body looks pretty nice to me anyway. Yeah, that's awesome. A lot of canvas there. I think that's bigger than that van I just did. There's a lot of there's a lot of room on there for some custom graphics, artwork, whatever. But yeah, comment below on what you guys want to see as far as, or what you're going to build. Custom, the stock version, the news van, or whatever. I'm kind of curious. Decals, pretty cool decals. I'm not sure what I'm going to build yet, but I might just do the van, get another van, and maybe do a custom one. Oh yeah, there's the gauges for the dash. That's awesome. They included those. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, guys, there's just a quick look at it, and there it is. Stranger Things 77 GMC, the Squawk van. Pretty cool. So, all right, let me know what you think, and be back again soon. See ya.